Hey guys, good morning. It's Tuesday and we're at the Supreme Court. There is a big protest on student debt relief. The Supreme Court is hearing whether Biden's plan to relieve student debt is constitutional, and there's a lot of people outside yelling about it. Let's take a look.
Make a mistake, or when they don't pay the exact amount, all of a sudden one is in foreclosure and one is in all sorts of other things.
Here is that I'm not a politician, but what I understand that either you shape policy or policy shapes you. And what I understand is this: we are sick and tired of folks who are supposed to be with us, supposed to be guiding us. So we call on this president.
When we start with the people, the policy is clear. The people demand and deserve student debt cancellation.
Everybody deserves to go to college for free, no matter who you are. No matter who you are. And for the folks that look at us and say we're in this problem because we live beyond our means, it's not because we live beyond our means, it's because we've been denied the means to live. And when we understand that, it gives us the mental fortitude, it gives us the moral high ground that we have to fight this battle. It is.
Next speaker, they do not need an introduction. They do not. Bernie Sanders.
Today, we have a pretty simple message for this reactionary Supreme Court. And that is, if this court can pass a decision like Citizens United, which allows billionaires to buy our political process, today they can do the right thing and stand up for the young people of this country and cancel student debt. And when we all stand together, when we tell Congress and the Supreme Court that our government and our economy belong to all of us, not just the 1%, there is nothing that will stop us.
Biden has the legal authority to cancel student loan debt. Now, you know how I know that? Well, I know it partly because I've actually read the HEROES Act that authorizes the president to take this action. Law. But I also know it because it is exactly what Donald Trump did. He canceled billions of dollars of interest payments that were coming due. He canceled them, for poor people and for middle class people, but most definitely for rich people. And not one Republican, not one, raised an objection.
Millions of young people showed up in 2020 election to say, yes, we want student debt cancellation. All of you rallied around this country to try to make sure our president, who at the time was hesitant, would finally realize that this was not just a politically viable thing, but it was the right thing to do.
That's right.
Okay, that was loud, yeah? Well, they're still going up there at the Supreme Court. I got tired. You know, that you might notice from the photos, I was kind of shooting up at an angle. That's because I was on my knees or sitting on the dirt or the cement trying to film all the speakers. Well, that gets really tiring for an old guy like me. So I eventually just said, you know, I'm going to stand up. And I said, you know what? I'm just going to go. So we're down now by the White House, which is back over there. And we're going to wait for a helicopter. And then we're going to get something to eat because I'm really hungry. So snipers are setting up on top of the Department of Commerce. Counter snipers, I guess. Oh, look at this, guys. Oh, these aren't cherry blossoms. These are those magnolia trees, those tulip trees you guys said yesterday. But they're pretty white. Very pretty. Commander taking a, what's he doing?
Best pallets in best Hilo pallets in the nation.
Yeah, you think Impala's a BEI qualifier?
Buddy, they got it now. I'm telling you.
Take care, guys.
Have fun. As soon as it picks up. There we go. Press is out. There he is. That's him. That's him.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh my god. Oh, he's there.
Oh my god. Ayan na siya. Oh my god.
Here he goes.
Yes. Oh, there. Window 45 degrees.
Right about here.
Ang galing niya. Ang ganda. Sobrang ganda. Kawaii, kawaii.
Here come the decoys. So we are waiting for a burger at Big Buns and Damn Good Burgers because, well, we're tired. It's been a long morning. Burger, fries. We're good. Hey guys, miss me? Yeah, well, it's been a few hours since I had that hamburger. And all that yelling this morning, it made me tired. So I took a nap. Anyway, nap time is over. We've got a helicopter coming back. Gonna try to give you a different view today though, because I'm getting tired of standing under the helicopter. You've seen that 100 times, yeah? So let's go a little bit off to the side, maybe get some of this beautiful sunrise and reflecting on the helicopter. Then, who knows? There's Eagle Doing the POTUS loop. There we go, flight of 3. I don't have a tripod. We're going to do our best without a tripod. Eagle's got to get out of the way. And they're in the trees. There he is, above the tree. We got one of them. We got 2. Where's the 3rd? There's the 3rd. Three abreast, it looks like. We'll focus on these two. The other one's too far out of frame. I'm betting this guy. Maybe not. Could be number 2. Could even be number 3. Looks like number 1's the winner. Nope. I'll show you in a minute. There you go. Kind of a pretty sunset, no? I thought it was. Anyway, thanks a lot for watching today. We'll have more tomorrow from Washington and probably from inside the White House if we're lucky. You never know. I'll see you then.